Let me quickly show you how to raid someone on Twitch. There's two different ways to raid somebody on Twitch. The first method, we're gonna log into our Twitch account, and then once we're logged in, we'll go to the top right corner and we'll go to our channel. Then we're gonna go to our chat room. So we'll go to chat. And then once we're in our chat room and not anybody else's chat room, we're gonna go into our chat room and we're gonna type in /raid. Then we're gonna type in the person's name that we wanna raid. And then after we've typed /raid space that person's name, I'm gonna hit enter. Then it says the raid has been created. And now you can see that there's a 10-second countdown for the raiders to whether they want to opt in or if they want to opt out of the raid. And then once that 10-second cooldown is over, it's going to have another countdown that's going to automatically raid once this purple goes all the way to the left. Or if you want to speed it up, you can go ahead and click raid now, and it's going to automatically bring all of your viewers and yourself to the person's channel that you raided. That method of raiding is kind of risky because you can raid people that are offline, and it'll be awkward for you and your chat for showing up to somebody who's not even streaming. So that's where the second method comes in. The second method, we're going to go to the top right corner, and then we're going to go to our creator dashboard. Then you can see the quick action buttons on the right hand side, conveniently behind my webcam, which, by the way, if you guys don't mind dropping a quick like on the video, I'd appreciate it. But we're gonna click this little plus button to add a new button, and then we're gonna go to the top right and search for an action called raid. And then you can add these buttons here. There's a button that prevents incoming raids to your channel for an hour in case you happen to get botted, but the button we're looking for is the raid a channel button. So you'll just click add a button, and once it's been added, we can X out of this and your button will show up on the right. I can see my buttons right here, so I'll click raid channel, and then we can pick a live channel to raid. So for this instance, if I go and type in the channel I just did that was offline, it says no results found because they are currently not live. And that'll prevent you from having a really awkward time with you and your chatters. So once you found a live channel that you want to raid, you'll just click on their name, and then you can see a preview of their stream, and then I'll click start raid. And then you can see that I have one person ready to raid, and it has the countdown right here, and we just got to wait for that countdown to go down. And then you can click raid now, or if you want to back out, you can hit back and it'll cancel the raid. So watch this video to the side of me. It's going to help you so much with your streaming journey. My name's Cody, and I'll see you in the next one.